The first one. So we have 10 is equal to x plus 2. How do I solve that?
Take away 2 from both sides.
On both sides, because if you do one, you do it to both. 10 minus 2 is?
8.
So that is our x value. X is equal to 8. Okay, then the second one, we have negative 32 is equal to negative 16 plus x. What do I do for there?
Add 16 to both sides.
What is negative 32 plus 16?
Negative 16.
So that is our x for the second one. Then we have 289 equals 17x. What do I do to solve that?
Divide 17.
That is a very not cute 8, but it's okay. What is 289 divided by 17?
17.
So x is equal to? Then we have 2/3 is equal to x over 3. How do I solve that? Okay, so if we cross multiply those two and those two. So what is 2 times 3? 3 times x is?
3x.
Then what do I do?
Divide 3 to both sides.
What is 6 divided by 3?
2.
So x is equal to 2. Those are your 4 answers to your bell ringers. So I want y'all to go ahead and get those turned in. Don't forget to do your highlight your name.
Stop fighting. Stop fighting.
We're going to do some practice today. And then we're going to go through.
I think someone's calling you.
Dang, everybody just wants your attention. Shade.
It just decided to roll through with all of my devices at the exact same time.
I was like, that's about to be mine. I remember
No, very popular. Very popular.
My phone.
Do what? The only one that's not the default is my husband's because his is so new. He picked the most of the answers and then he turned off his silence. So it doesn't matter if my phone is on silent, it's going to ring because it's obnoxious.
What do you can turn that on?
You can pick specific reasons. I don't know how you did it. And I tried it and it changed it. And it has like passwords Well, your son. Alright, y'all. So I am passing out our practice for today. I tried to No, I tripped myself. Alright, so we are going to look at some practice questions, okay, from 1.2, which is simplifying using combining like terms and substitution and a little bit of distribution, okay? So what I want y'all to do, as soon as we get this, I want you to just take a quick second and look over it, and because there's a couple questions I'm going to go over before we start, but then if you have any other questions, I'm going to walk around and answer questions while we go, okay? So we're going to go over question number 5 and question 7 real fast, okay? And, yeah. So I want us to go ahead and we're going to look at question 5 first, okay? So what do I need to do here?
Distribute -2.
Distribute -2. So if I go and distribute -2, we do -2 times p, which is?
-2.
And then I need to distribute that -2 to the fraction 1/10. Okay? The easiest way to do that is make -2 into a fraction as well. How would I do that? So then we just multiply numerator by numerator. So -2 times 1 is? Then for our denominator, we will do 1 times 10, which is? All right, can I simplify negative 2p? No. But can we simplify negative 2/10? To what? Negative 1/5. Okay? And so that is how we would do number 5. I also want us to real quickly talk about number 7. Okay? For number 7, okay, we have this first parenthesis. Is anything happening to this? Is it being distributed? Is anything doing anything? No. Okay, cool. We can just bring that down. We can do 5k squared plus 6k plus 4. Now, for the second half, though, is something distributing there? Yes. What? The negative, which is the same as saying negative 1 right there. So we're going to distribute that negative 1. What is negative 1 times 7x? Or k, my bad. Negative 1 times negative 4k squared? 4k squared. Negative 1 times 2. And then we're going to go ahead and write this as our answer. So how would I write our answer?
9k squared plus k.
Okay. Yep. So what are our like terms we combine to do that?
5k squared plus 4k.
And that gives us?
9k squared.
Okay. Then what's our next set of?
6k and
What is 6k minus 7k?
negative k.
Negative k, or you could do negative 1k. Either way works. Okay. What is our last like terms? And what is 4 minus 2? Okay, so that right there is our answer for number 7. Okay, and I'm going to let y'all work on the rest of, or I want to also do number 9. Okay, so for number 9, we have, these are our substitution questions. So we have y minus z divided by 5. So we're going to set this up. We have y minus z divided by 5. What do I need to plug in for y?
2.
What do I need to plug in for z?
5.
Now, in order to simplify this, we do order of operations, right? So what do I need to start with here? What is 5 divided by 5?
1.
So we have 2 minus 1, which is 1. That's our answer. Okay. The only other thing I want to make sure we talk about real fast before I let y'all go, you don't have to write this. This is just us making sure we know what to do here. If we have 3x times 2x, what does that equal? 6x squared. Okay. If we have 7y times negative 3y, what is that? We're multiplying. So what is 7 times negative 3?
Negative 21
And then
squared.
So if I have a times 2a minus 1, and I distribute that, what is a times 2a? What is a times negative a? Or just negative a, okay? So keep in mind when you multiply two things that are the same variable, you have to add their exponents. And in like this case, it is 1 plus 1, which is 2. All right, so I want y'all to take a second and I want y'all to work on these questions. And then we are going to go over our answers here in just a minute, okay? Or I'm going to let y'all finish it, and then we're going to just run through the answers real fast. And if you need help, raise your hand and I will be there. Yes. Yes. There's a water fountain at both ends of the math hall.
When he gets back, can I get water?
Yes. Yeah. Or you can go ahead and go to the restroom. Well, I didn't.